Hey now. Today we're going to be restoring a BSR, which is a Birmingham stove and range. It's a pretty nice iron. There's a pan for the future, an unmarked Wagner. But what you're seeing here is a lye bath, which is sodium hydroxide. Basically that takes off all the carbon from the pan, which is the grease and the grime from cooking. It keeps your electrolysis tank a lot cleaner and makes your anodes last a lot longer. The water level was a little high in our tank, so we had to use some copper wire to connect everything up. But the good thing about this is the pan is fully submerged. You don't have to scrape the handle. This is my favorite part because you really get to see the pan being cleaned, and this is the part that actually removes the rust from pans. And the more rust, the cooler this process is. The part we're going to skip here is us going over there and scrubbing over it with steel wool, but as you can see, it wipes away there with your finger. And yeah, look, that iron is just clean. You can't beat the electrolysis tank. Here we're scrubbing like hell because we're very anal. We don't like rust. And as soon as you pull any unseasoned piece of iron, or as soon as you take the seasoning off iron, it rusts immediately. Flash rust. And so a little baking soda and water can take care of that. Here we just warmed the pan up to 210. And we're putting our coat of seasoning on, putting it back in face down, which is important so you don't get any pooling. But we like to season the inside with the cooking oil that we're going to cook with, and the outside with the oil we had originally seasoned with for the final product. But let's get into the skillet review and egg test. This pan is definitely a BSR. You can tell by the solid heat ring, whereas if it was a lodge, it would have a single notch or most likely 3 notches. May even have no notch, but you can tell if this is a BSR. The handle, the milling marks, and for example, this other BSR here is a number 3. It also has a solid heat ring and a number 3 here written distinctively, like they do. Same handle. This one's just a bit rougher. This one is in super good condition. These are great pans to use, as you'll see in the egg test. We got the pan heating up on medium-low, a little bit of butter, and it's definitely non-stick. It's slicker than snot. Let us know if you guys think this passes the egg test in the comments below. And thanks for watching. We'll catch you all next time.